In the heart of Japan centuries ago, a unique technique for preserving wood was born. This technique, known as Shou Sugi Ban, has endured the test of time, finding its place in modern architecture, interior design, and even gardening. But what is Shou Sugi Ban, and how can it be used to create a stunning and durable raised garden bed? Shou Sugi Ban, also known as yakisugi, is a traditional Japanese method of wood preservation. The name itself can be broken down into three parts: Shu, meaning burn, Sugi, referring to cedar, and Ban, meaning board. It's a technique that involves charring the surface of the wood, cooling it, cleaning it, and finally finishing it with a natural oil. The origin of Shou Sugi Ban dates back to Japan in the 18th century. The purpose was practical, to make wooden structures more resistant to fire. However, this ancient method also had an aesthetic appeal, giving the wood a rich, dark hue and a distinct texture. It wasn't long before Shou Sugi Ban was embraced not just for its practical benefits, but also for its unique beauty. Fast forward to today, and this age-old technique is experiencing a resurgence in popularity around the globe. It's being used in everything from modern architecture to furniture design, and yes, even in our gardens. Creating a raised garden bed using the Shou Sugi Ban method might seem like a daunting task, but it's simpler than you might think. First, the wood is charred using a blowtorch until the surface turns black. Then it's left to cool before being brushed to remove any loose char. Finally, the wood is finished with a natural oil like linseed or tung oil, which helps to seal and protect the wood. The benefits of using Shou Sugi Ban for your raised garden bed are numerous. First, the process naturally protects the wood from rot, insects, and fire, making it an incredibly durable choice for your garden. The charring process also brings out the natural grain of the wood, giving your garden bed a unique and stunning aesthetic. The Shou Sugi Ban method is not just a historical artifact, but a living, breathing technique that continues to find new applications today. So, next time you're planning a garden project, consider using Shou Sugi Ban. It's a technique that combines practicality and beauty, durability and elegance. A technique that has stood the test of time for good reason. From the heart of ancient Japan to your backyard, Shou Sugi Ban is more than a method. It's a testament to the enduring beauty of nature and the ingenious ways we've found to preserve it. So, embrace the charred beauty of Shou Sugi Ban and let it transform your garden into a unique, sustainable and enduring space.